there you were saying, I don't want to be president.
Yes.
That the party has not even formed the government.
We got it.
And then they are chasing, if I want to be president, I'll do it in style. But I don't want to be president.
Yes.
That was last 2021.
Yes.
January 2023. Kennedy Agyapong is now leading the pack. Okay, hold it. I want viewers to hold it. I'll come to this answer. But let's look at the montage we made for you with the patriotic song. And let's see how it looks like. Okay.
The situation we are in, things are tough. No doubt about it. But it will promote tourism in Ghana. So let us think along those lines where we're going to make money. And not only look at the amount here and say that is a crime. When you go to Dubai, when you go to South Africa, Cape Town, when you go to Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, just people, Bahamas, Antigua, Trinidad and Tobago, all these countries are making money from the sea. What are we doing? You know, I'll be like Donald Trump. I'll build a long wall, both sides, so that nobody offering fear now or cut to a widow, not the good or donum, not or donum so ethnic epunu. No, we'll prevent it and clean the whole Odo River and put boats on it.
I can't guarantee when we end the program tonight because we are now starting and it's past 10. Everybody is watching. Our social media is bursting. New York, good evening. How are you? Those of you sent me the text that you've taken a 2-hour break from work and you are on your phones and you are watching Kennedy Agyapong from America. That's how they call him.